Hello guys, today we are working on this 2007 RX Lexus RX400H, which is hybrid. We're gonna be replacing all the speakers, front, back door, tweeters and dash speakers, also rear spoiler. This is really bad condition here. Here is the spoiler, better condition, and some speakers here. These are tweeters, dash speakers, these front door, rear door. So the tools we're gonna need for speakers, door, dash replacement and spoiler replacement is just 10mm socket here and just 2 screwdrivers, flathead and extra right there. Let's go. Also, it is important to disconnect your battery if you are trying to do this job, just in case, because we have airbags on this panels. So to open the hood, just pull that tab, pull this tab right here. Okay, this is your battery here. Okay, all right, that's good. Opening the doors, prying out this plastics here. Because there's bolt. Yeah, just pry it out like this. Okay, and there's bolts in this place here. Right there. There's only 2 bolts. This is just a push tab. Nothing underneath. Super easy. Unbolt these screws. Open this door opening locking panel. Here. All right. So you just okay. This is super easy. Pull this carefully. Okay, disconnect the tab. Just need to press this middle section and pull it. Okay, like this. Okay, pull this middle section here. Panel. Right, so I'm good to go on this one. Just pinch it. Okay, remove the door panel. This is our speakers. Look at the condition of it. Wow, this is really bad. There you go. This is better speakers here, super clean. This is really bad condition. Just pull these 4 bolts, lock this, that's it. This Here's the number. Okay. I think you can fit the JBL speakers too here, actually, from many Camrys. Okay, guys, let's do the next one. Rear door, dash, and Twitter. Okay, here I replaced all the speakers now. Didn't film the dash speaker replacement. So basically, to replace this, you just need to pull down this leather, this piece. Here's gonna be a metal plastic hanger. You just need to pull it really hard. It will come down. There will be 2 bolts, about 10 here and there. Oh, you just pull this with the screwdriver, this cover from this side. After you pull this, put it here and then just pull it and it will come up easily. So there's gonna be 2 bolts here and there, 10, and this Twitter bolts in with 1 bolt and the connector is behind. So the same thing for the other side. Okay, and so yeah, everything is replaced now, and let's hear the sound. Okay, here's the test sound.